Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer on Sackboy, A Big Adventure. This fantastic game allows up to 4 players to team up for an epic journey. You can enjoy both local couch co-op and online play, making it perfect for friends and family. The entire main story is playable with others, and there are even special dedicated team levels designed for cooperative fun. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure together. Setting up local co-op is super easy. First, simply connect up to 4 controllers to your console. Each player can then select their own profile or join as a guest. Once everyone is connected, just start the game and pick any level you wish to play. Players have the flexibility to join or leave the game at any point, so friends can drop in and out as they please. It's a seamless way to share the fun. For those looking to play with friends online, the process is straightforward. Make sure all players have an active online subscription for their console. From the main menu, navigate to the party option. Here, you can easily invite friends directly from your console's friends list. Up to 3 friends can join your game, creating a party of 4 adventurers ready to tackle any challenge. Get ready to connect and conquer. To truly enhance your multiplayer experience, teamwork is key. Work together to collect all the precious Dreamer Orbs and other valuable prizes scattered throughout the levels. Don't forget to utilize the unique co-op moves, which are essential for overcoming certain obstacles. If a teammate falls, you can revive them to keep the adventure flowing smoothly. Effective communication with your fellow Sackfolk will ensure the best possible fun and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.